Hi, this is Leah Ranice, and I'm coming to you today to show you how I can refashion some jewelry. Now, I bought these little pieces at the beauty supply store. I like them because they look like little leaves. And what I wanted to do was change them. They're actually what they are earrings. They're just extremely long earrings. Well, as you can see with this pair, I transformed them into a pair of earrings and a necklace. And all I have to do is run a chain through this little hoop, and I'll have a necklace that looks like cascading leaves. Now, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this, and you can do it in less than an hour or so. So first of all, you have to have the right tools. I use these. These are two of my favorite jewelry making tools. They both have this little pointed edge on them, so it's good when you have to grip two pieces at one time. And I'm just going to use some little hooks here. We're going to use these. Oh, excuse me. Jump rings. Sorry. Jump rings. I want to get it right. Jump rings. And they come in different sizes, but I'm just going to use a few of these. So first thing I want to do is to turn the first pair into a pair of earrings. So what I do is I take my little whatever you call this little thing. I take it and I disconnect at the base. Let's see here. Yeah, I find it. And I try not to open it too much. Now, the way I usually open them when I make jewelry is you twist it one direction. Never pull it open. Just grab it and just sort of pull it opposite of itself, like that. And you see, and I'll leave the hook on it for now. Okay. And then I take the other one and do the exact same thing. I'm going to take this and, oops. Yeah, it can be a little tricky sometimes. But once I find that top part of it, okay, I'm going to have to roll it around. You don't want to just pull it open because it'll lose its shape, and you don't want that. So this jump ring, I need to use it because it's the size of it. It's going to help putting it back together. Okay. Disconnect here. Come on. Okay, that's okay. See, it's disconnected here. And then I take the chain, at least off of one of them. Actually, I can disconnect all of them. But I take the chain off of one, and you decide, how long you want your earrings to hang. I believe I chose about six chains, 6 little links down. Okay. This one right here is double wrapped. The other one was just single. See, they double made these. And now, to be honest with y'all, I only paid like $1 for each pair of earrings. Okay, so I'll leave that on here. And I'm going to pull this one off also, and I'm going to use this chain. So we're going to reuse everything we have here. Let's see. This one must be larger than the other one. The black one wasn't doubled. They was just single. Okay. Come on, baby. Like pulling teeth. Okay, cool. All right. Now, so I take my chain, and I think I chose about 6 links. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That looks a little bit longer. Let's go 7. Let's do 7. So when we get to here, we open this one up. And these are a little bit stronger. So you grab one side with the needle nose, and then you twist it. Just open it up just a little bit. Well, we're going to just lose everything, aren't we? We opening it, but it's on the other end, which is fine. Now I just got to go back. How many do we have here? Maybe we have enough. Let's see. No, that's not enough. I said I need 7. So we're going to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since you know we already have the 7. There's the opening on that one. That's why I couldn't find it. There we go. Okay. Now, we're going to pick this back up. Add this back on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, you know what? We're going to go 6. 6 is okay. And then we're going to grab the big hoop. Let me go ahead and just close this one up. Now, first I need to put the hook on it. Yeah, that's what I need first. Hold on. Yeah. There you go. Okay. Now, close this up. This end. Let's close it up. Make sure it's not going anywhere, and it's not. And then I will go back to the other end, grab one of the little leaves, as I call them, and hook this on the first link. Go back. See, this is kind of weak, so we can just go back and just close it up. There we go. One pair earring, one earring, one pair earring, one earring down. Okay, let's do it again. Let's see. 1, 2, let me see. 6, I said 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to pull it this way, make it easy on myself. Okay. Close it back up. Now you got to have the right tools, because sometimes your fingers are too big. Even my fingers can be too big. Okay. Let's see. Hold up. Let's get it open just a little bit more. Okay. Now. Oh, shoot. I never did pull off the other earring, did I? Look. Or did I? Oh, you did. Okay. All right, now I want to attach the hook on this one. Okay, now close it up. Hold one, take one side to hold it, and the other side to pinch it up. What you can do is, well, let me show you what I do with this pair in particular. I take it and I go down to the little fat side down here and squeeze it shut. Just make sure it's not coming undone, and it's not. Okay. Go to the other end, and like I say, it's easier with this because it's so big, and just hook it on here. Like it is easy if you can see it. Okay. Just hooked it back on there. Pinch it back together. They're earrings. Now, when you get to the other part, like these center pieces here, I just made it up how I liked. I liked them to have different, you know, different angles, like levels. So I just took this part here, and I went and I disconnected the hook on this end. Come on, baby. Hook this, disconnect this one. Come on. Okay. And use the long part of it. Use the long part of it. Just okay. Okay. Come on. This just wants to be difficult. Close it up. Hold it back together. And then I could just leave it like this. Or I could take, since I have 2 more to go, I'll take 1 more and I'll dangle it right down the middle. I'm going to do the short one first. I'm going to take this hook here, add this on to the end of it, and we're going to go back, and I'm sort of kind of like, not really, but I kind of eyeball it in the middle so it can hang in the middle. Okay. Now, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to save that one and grab one of my smaller ones. Now these are really sturdy, really sturdy. You can't even open these with your finger. You have to use 2. Find your little opening. Take the other end and twist them the opposite of each other. Just like that. In this case, I need to go a little bit more because I got a lot to put in there. Okay, so I find the center, or sort of. Put this on the middle. Take this one here, and I'm going to hang this one on one end. That's 3. And then I'm going... Now, don't act up on me. Please don't do that. Okay, let's grab it again. You want to hang this one on the middle, like that. And then add another chain, like that. And then I'm going to hang this on the end of that one. Now, I want it to be a little more uneven. Let's go like this. Yeah, no, a little bit more. Come on down. I'm making this up as I go. There's no right or wrong way that one shot off on the floor, so y'all didn't see that. Okay, let's try again. Okay, let's try once again. As I see it. All right, let's try this again. I want it to be more like this. So we're going to put this one here. Okay. Like that. That's cool. And then this one will go here. Yes. Okay. And that might be, let's see, do I even want to use that other one? I think we might leave that one out. Yeah, we're going to close it up. Right where we got it. And I can actually run a chain, just a little thin chain. I can go through, run it through here to put it around my neck. Okay. Okay. Now, on this end, I'll take this little doodad right here, this larger hook. Keep calling it a hook, but it's a jump ring, I'm sorry. Larger jump ring, and I'm going to put it at the end of this one. Okay, and then I'm going to close it up. Okay, we're going to close it up. Okay, close it up. Make sure it don't come off. Okay, you know the main one in the center here holds it together. And then, like I said, I can run a little thin chain through here. And if I needed a bigger chain, I'll put a bigger jump ring on the end and run it through. But there you have it. I have this extra one. We hadn't decided what we're going to do with that one. But right now, this works for me.